For practice it, exercise 16.3 is sorted. We're asked to write a method that returns true if the list is in sorted order and return false otherwise. We can also assume that an empty list is considered to be sorted. First, we are going to make it public. We are going to have it be a boolean since it's returning either a true or a false, and it is called isSorted. It takes no parameters, and we can start by writing our if statement. And we can say if our front is equal to null, which means if our list is empty, and we can consider this to be sorted. So if it's sorted, it returns true, so we're just going to return true. Next, we need to go through our list and compare every value. So we are going to store our first value and then our next value and increment those every time we go through our loop, which will be comparing all of the values. And we're going to do prev for the first value, and we're going to set that equal to front. And we're going to make our second list node. We're going to call it current, and we're setting that equal to prev.next, and that gets the next value. Now we need to make a while loop to go through this, and we're going to do while current does not equal null. Will be in our loop, and in our loop we are going to compare sizes. So we'll say if our current value is smaller than our previous value, then it's going to return false, because if this value is smaller than the value before it, that means it's not in order. So we'll do if current is less than prev. This can also be written as if prev is greater than current. You have to make sure we do .data inside of here, that way we actually get the values. And if this is true, we are going to return false, because that means it is not in order. If they are in order, we are just going to skip our if statement and continue going through our loop. To do this, we're going to set our prev to our current, so it's moved up one. We're going to set our current to equal prev.next. We are eventually going to break out of our while loop and then just return true. And it passes all 8 tests.